Hello and welcome back to another video on Unpacked Technologies. In this video, I'll be unboxing the GeForce RTX 4070 Super. This particular graphics card is made by Gigabyte and it's the WindForce OC 12GB model. So let's get straight into it. Alright, so this is yet another component of my PC build. I've had another package come in with a few other components, so I'll be unboxing this particular graphics card today. And to start with, I thought I would buy this graphics card because it sort of balanced a good level of high performance while also still not being outrageously expensive. So I sort of thought this was a good balance and it's had some good reviews, so I thought it was the way to go. Now, as I mentioned before, this one's made by Gigabyte. There's a number of different options you could go with, but this one was reasonably priced and matched what I needed. So if you want to pick one up for yourself, it's the WindForce OC 12GB model. So you can see here on the front of the packaging, it's got a picture of a little graphic here. You can see it says WindForce with OC edition, and you can see it's got DLSS 3, ray tracing, reflex, and studio. And it's an NVIDIA card, obviously. So taking a look around on the top, we've just got, it says Gigabyte GeForce RTX 4070 Super. On the left-hand side from the front, you can see it's got more stuff. It says it's got 3 fans with 12GB of GDDR6X RAM. On the bottom, it's just some information in some different languages. On the right-hand side, it's much the same. And then on the back, it gives you some information about the WindForce cooling system and the protection metal backplate, as well as the ultra-durable VGA. So it's got a lot of different options here. It just gives some more information about the card itself. So we'll get straight into the unboxing here. So we'll open up the side like so. And then we can pull out the inside packaging. So put the rest of that to the side. And you can see it comes out like that. It has a nice Gigabyte logo on the front. And then we can open it up. And then it gives us some information here. So, got a little graphics card quick start guide. So it just runs through how to quickly set it up. And the different ways in which you can go about that. The different ports you can use and all that sort of stuff. So, read through that if you need it. Then we've also got the warranty card from Gigabyte. Then we can take the plastic foam off and then we can see the graphics card itself in there. So we'll take this out. We'll have a closer look at that in a moment. It's got some weight to it, which is nice. And then in here as well, we get the cable to connect it up to the, this is either the motherboard or the power supply. Looks like this is the power adapter. So they give you that cable. Presumably it would come with your power supply as well, but they give it to you just in case, which is handy. And then that looks like it's just about it for what's in the box. So we'll put the rest of that to the side. Now we'll take a closer look at the graphics card itself. So I have to get it open here. So we'll just, you can see here, it says Gigabyte qualified. So we can just try and peel these up. And we'll just keep peeling it up here. They're quite stuck down, so just trying to keep the packaging as nice as possible. Open it up, there we go. And then we can take out the graphics card itself. So take it out here, and here we can see the Gigabyte RTX 4070 Super. So you can see on top that wind cooling system that they have as a part of this card. It looks very high end. On the back, you've got your different ports. So obviously you've got your display port and your HDMI. They're the ports that are included on this particular card. There you can see a bit of the card itself on the side profile. On the front, there's nothing really there other than a few screw holes. And then on this side, if we turn it around, you can see it says GeForce RTX and it's got the Gigabyte logo. And then on the back, you can see it says GeForce RTX with the Gigabyte logo again. So that's basically a unboxing experience of the Gigabyte RTX 4070 Super. Hopefully this was helpful. It's given you a good idea of what the unboxing experience of this particular model is like. Obviously, graphics cards are made by a number of different brands, so it'll all slightly vary, but this is the idea of what the 4070 card as a whole looks like, and hopefully it's given you a good idea about the unboxing experience overall. Once again, this is a part of the PC build, so I'll be definitely getting into the building process soon. I'll be unboxing a few more components, and then we'll try and get into building the PC. So definitely let me know in the comments below if you want to see a review of this card after I've used it for a few weeks and months, because I'm more than happy to make that if you would like to see that. And with that, thanks for watching this video on Unpacked Technologies. Stay tuned for more unboxing videos on the channel of these PC components. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.